about education, but I think you cannot speak on this topic because you don't have thoughts. So that's why I'm telling you how to speak on this topic. And first of all, I will explain it. After that, you have to speak a few lines about this topic. It will be better for you. So now, let's discuss. As you know that education is most important in one's life. If we are educated, we can do anything whatever we want. We can fulfill our dreams, we can go abroad, and it makes our personality. It gives us plenty of confidence. If we are educated, we can make our future bright. And nowadays, in modern age, it has become compulsory for everyone. And education is the biggest part of one's life. Without education, there is no meaning of life. So that's why I think we must get it. We must be well educated in modern age. If you wanna do something in your life, if you wanna make your bright future, you should get it. Your parents have a lot of expectation from you. They are spending much money on you. But I think you must be serious and you must get it. I am telling for your welfare, being a teacher. So now I am telling you it's very important, and we should not ignore it. And we can say education gives us plenty of confidence, and we can earn plenty of money after getting it. And whatever we want to do, education is compulsory in every field. And if you want to do any kind of business, if you want to get job, whatever you are going to do in your life, you should be educated for that. Without education, I don't think so we can be something in our life. And nobody will give us respect. If we are educated, we will be respected everywhere. People will appreciate us a lot. We will be respected everywhere. We can come true our dreams. We can go out of country. And we can say education is a solid weapon by which everything is possible. Are you getting what I am telling you? So that's why I'm saying that you must try to speak on this topic. It's not a difficult topic. I think you can explain you can explain this topic easily. And one by one, every student has to speak a few lines on this topic. If you find any kind of difficulty, I will help you a lot. I will let you know. Being a teacher, I will help you. Don't worry. And you are coming here to learn something. There must be a lot of improvement in you, and there must be a lot of advantages. So now, are you ready? Do you want to speak on this topic? Did you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
So now it's your turn. I am giving you a chance. You have to speak on this topic. Understood?